Nothing to see here, just a blizzard. You might not be able to see it, but it is bad. Like, literally. It's bad. You probably can't see it. Don't mind the music in the background. Literally, like, if y'all can see that sidewalk, you can see how thin that is. I shoveled that last night. The whole thing. Like, why? Only in Iowa. Just kidding. I'm not in Iowa. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. You never know. Anyways, but like, yeah. Just so you know, it was -5 degrees at that time. Just pointing that out because I never said it in the video. Oh yeah, and I'm editing at this point. See you later, guys.